Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Desert Disc Planning. If you've never been here before, I'm glad you found me and I found you. And hopefully we can inspire each other in our creativity journey. And if you have been here before, then thank you for coming back. And I'm really glad that I can inspire you more than anything. So hopefully this also gets your juices flowing, but I'm not really sure because I'm still struggling with the dashboard layout. So let's work on this together. What I have here is something going on. What I have here is the RongRong going places and happy memory keeping dates and holidays. I have already whited it out on this side as well as this side because the struggle is real with my whiteout right now, and I do all my recordings in one sitting, so I have yet to go and pick some up. So I went ahead and took the struggle out of the video, but not out of my life. So I am going to use this because this is the last week before school starts, so I thought, why not make it kind of fun? Now, give or take, I have boys. I have 2 girls, so I was really skeptical in using this one, more like it should be a mom, but I think it'll be okay. It's just going to be fun. So, what should I do? What should I do? Where should I go? Where should I go? I really think it should just be a beach. There we go. Because it's the kids. See you. That would be Raylan. That would be Raylan. Okay. Oh, it's like a pretty blue. Okay. And what are we doing here? We're traveling again? So we only have 2 sheets. No. Yes, 3. 3 sheets of possible awesomeness. I guess. Oh no. Here we go. Meet me at the beach. Y'all are somewhere else. Y'all are like Italy or something. Alright. So, we don't have really any blank boxes except for, well, let's just do this. Let's just sporadically put these around because it's just decoration. It's kind of crooked, but it's on whiteout, and I'm really nervous about taking that off. So we have to put the blue one. Let's just put that there. There's that. We got the chill over here. I'm trying to make sure that I get the blue foil, turquoise-ish foil over here. Okay, so Discover your magic. It's going to go right in the center of that. And we have blue foiled hearts that are going to go on the page. So last chance to go out with a bang for the summer. Let's see. I'm definitely going to use these. Don't know what for yet. And then we have the girls and their outfits. And this is what else I want. Okay. So I'm not worried about that, getting it done. So let's get this done. Tuesday. Plan. And then I'm just going to put that there. And then today, and then get it done. And put the today over here. And then big plans. We got Riker coming home here. And then we'll just put get it girl, because we're not traveling. Busy. To do. I don't know about all that. Get it girl, yay. They don't work. Coffee first. And then there's that. I can't use the vacay ones. But I am going to that's it. I don't know where to put work because none of my kids work. And this is just to add. Like literally it's not. Okay. All right. I think that's going to be fine. Because really it's just practice, getting ready for all the school stuff. We get Riker back. We go school shopping. Again, it's a girl page, but it's a lot of boy stuff going on. but I've never used it. I've never really used a sticker book because I don't travel like that, but I had to have it. So it's one of those. And with that, I am participating in the HP challenge over on Instagram with the hashtag HP Stash Challenge, and I'm using my stash. So you can go over there. It is created by Creatively Lisa Marie. She has been having it for the last couple of months, so I just went ahead and I'm still going because I'm trying to use my stash and see how I function in planners mainly, and also to see which layout is my best and my favorite, as well as creating my own stickers that can function in these as well. Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you come back and see how I set up the rest of my kiddos planner, my kiddo section in this planner. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.